Welcome back to OrCAD X Capture tutorial series. In this video, we are going to cover how to build a team library in OrCAD X Capture. So after creating a component in local workspace, user can publish these components to a shared workspace to build a team library. Here, we will first create a new shared workspace and add a team member to it. We will add their email ID and specify their privilege as librarian. To publish a component, select a component row, do an RMB and click Publish to launch the Publish dialog. In the Publish dialog, select the target shared workspace, specify revision type, and if needed, add few comments. In the grid section below, you will see the summary of operation and changes done with respect to the shared workspace. Now click Publish to publish the component to the selected target workspace. Once above steps are done, published component will be seen in the shared workspace with its respective category. Once published, the new user added will also see these published component in shared workspace from his Component Explorer view. Similarly, we can publish multiple components and each user in the shared workspace will have access to them. So that is about in this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.